Hey, I'm Justin Sunseri, a therapist and coach who helps you live with more calm, confidence, and connection without psychobabble or woo-woo, of course. Welcome to Stuck Not Broken. In this episode, we're going to be doing something very different. I have been looking forward to this moment for a very long time. I've been preparing for this for a very long time, and it marks a new chapter in how I can support you on your journey toward unstucking. Imagine what it would be like to wake up tomorrow with a little more regulation than yesterday or even today, or to end today with a little more calm, or to get through the day with a little more motivation for work, school, or for parenting. Not a ton of change because that's not realistic, but a little, and a little change tomorrow, and a little more change the next day too. If you could make small changes each day or each week, what would that feel like over time? How much easier could your life get if you did small things to get a little more regulated every day? I know that you know that real change happens this way. Real regulation, sustainable regulation, happens this way through small changes. Over the years of working with so many of you in the Unstucking Academy, or as clients, or through the Stuck Not Broken books, or just providing the free content here in the podcast, I've seen how different people thrive and get unstuck with different resources. Some of you are amazing with coursework. You're self-motivated, you log in, you absorb the lessons, and you put them into action. And that's all you need. Others are ready for that more like cohort-based, co-regulative learning and sharing the journey with other people. And of course, some are in a place where individual coaching or therapy is the right fit. Some of you just need the right book, the right blanket, the right tea, and perhaps the right rainy drizzle on your rooftop. And once you have those, you're good to go. There are so many of you who reach out to me and let me know you're getting unstuck through these and more means. And I am absolutely elated about that, no matter what pathway you've taken to help get unstuck. But I do see another group, a group of people who are just as committed to their unstucking journey, but they need a little something extra. They don't necessarily want or need to work in a group. They're not looking for an intensive one-on-one therapy or coaching experience. As an example or metaphorically, they're the person who wants to learn like a new language and thrives with an app like Duolingo, getting those daily pushes and structured lessons. They don't need or want to hire a private language coach, for example, but they're not going to go out and buy a textbook to learn a new language on their own either. They need something else, something in the middle, a tool that provides structure, guidance, expertise, and that gentle nudge to keep going and fits right in their pocket. And that's why I built the Self-Regulation Coach. It is an AI-powered, personalized coach designed to be your daily companion on your journey to nervous system regulation. So, what exactly does this look like, or how does the experience work? I wanted to make this experience as simple and supportive as possible. So first off, you're not just thrown into a library of overwhelming random videos like on YouTube. Everything is structured and sequential, and it works at your pace. The first thing you'll do is complete a simple onboarding, I don't like the word, but quiz through the link in the description. You'll answer a few questions so that the AI coach can get a clear idea of what you're looking for and your current level of progress. From there, the app creates a clear step-by-step roadmap, a personalized plan tailored to your nervous system and your capacity from day one. I've done numerous tests on this, and I can verify that the coach's tailored plans are indeed custom to each person. After you see the tailored plan, you can choose to purchase and then download the app after you purchase. Then you get into the core of the experience, the daily practice. Every day you'll have simple, achievable tasks waiting for you. They reset every morning, tailored on what you need. We're talking about like bite-sized lessons that take just a few minutes, though the coach can give you more if you like. The lessons are exclusive video content from me, helping you understand the polyvagal theory, strengthen your safety state, and even learning advanced unstucking skills. All the stuff from the Unstucking Academy is brought over to this coaching app. You'll also get simple, guided micro-mindfulness practices that you can do anywhere, at any time, to boost your mindfulness and safety resources. That's what I'm currently using the AI coach for personally, to ensure my own safety practices are maintained and strengthened. The foundation is essential, and that's something I've gone back to recently. On top of the lessons from me and the micro-mindfulness practices, the coach will also provide you with exclusive meditations from me as you're ready for them. Plus, it will track your progress over time. On top of all of that, and here's the part that I'm truly excited about, the AI-powered coaching. As you do your daily check-ins and reflections, the app's AI coach provides instant feedback and encouragement. It helps you to identify patterns, to understand what's happening within you, to understand triggers or what's going well, and it offers very specific suggestions. Think of it as like a guide that is there for you all the time, helping you connect the dots on your own journey. The coach responds based on your needs. For example, the coach was giving me one lesson per day, a mindfulness activity, and a reflection. But I felt like I could handle more, so I asked it to double the day's activities, and it did. I've also completed the day's activities and asked it to give me another lesson just for that day, and it did. And it gave me an appropriate lesson that built on what I had already learned. If you want it to go slower, that's fine. It can do that too. If you want to spend more time on a specific skill like validating an emotion, it will ensure that you master that skill before moving on to something more challenging. So you might be wondering, is this for me? If you're new to the polyvagal theory or nervous system work, this app is your perfect starting point. If you've been on this journey for a while but struggle with consistency, the daily structure is designed to help you build real, lasting habits, sustainable change. And if you're that self-motivated person who just needs a little extra guidance without the pressure of a course or working directly with a coach, or being a part of a cohort, this is built for you. This is an incredibly powerful resource for you to start feeling more calm, confident, and connected. It meets you where you're at your own pace, and is available at any time. Your path to a regulated nervous system starts now. It's available today. Just use the link in the description to get started with the self-regulation coach. I think you'll love it, and I can't wait to hear how it goes.